makers, welcome to Fabric Friday. I've finished my Christmas makes and thought I'd just show you this that I was showing you how to make for a table runner, and I said I was going to make seat covers out of it for my mother's dining chairs, and reversible. So we've got the Christmas on one side, but you can reverse it and have a pattern that she picked herself. Well, the fabric she picked herself, and that's a better view of it. So I've got, and I've done them with ties so she can tie them onto the back of it. So I've done two of those because she's got two dining chairs, and to match I've done a Christmas star that she can reverse as well for the centre of her square dining table. Also from my mother-in-law, I did exactly the same pattern, but obviously longer as a table runner, and I've just scribbled quilting on it, and all I need to do now is bind it, and then it's done. So just a little quick show, and I would like to wish both my new subscribers and my old subscribers happy Christmas and a happy new year. Please take it careful, easy when you're out, and have a lovely time. Thank you. Bye.